Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y72, and today I'll show you how to copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up your contacts application, which for me is right over here. Make sure you open up the standalone version of it. I'm gonna skip signing in. So once you see your contacts, I can tap on the three bars right here, navigate to settings, and select import. This will give you a window right here where you can select where you can import from contacts from. So you can select either from VCF file if you have ever created that one, or SIM card, which is what I'm going to be going with. So we go OK, and that shows you all the contacts that are on the SIM card. By default, as you can see, they are all selected. If you see some contacts that are deselected and grayed out to the point that you cannot actually select them, that's completely fine. That means that those contacts already exist on your device, and the phone is basically stopping you from creating duplicates. So from here, make sure you have selected every contact that you want, deselected ones that you don't want. Click on the checkbox. It will give you a message how many contacts have been imported, and when you go back, you should be able to see them right here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.